Are you looking for an effective way to lose weight without the use of traditional cardio and weightlifting? Yoga may be the solution for you. Not only does it increase flexibility and reduce stress, but it can also aid in weight loss through a variety of yoga poses. In this video, we will show you the top yoga poses for weight loss and how to properly perform them. The first pose is the downward facing dog. This pose works the entire body, particularly the arms and legs. It strengthens the core and improves balance. The next pose is the warrior 2. This pose targets the thighs and core, while also increasing stamina and balance. The third pose is the chair pose. This pose targets the core, glutes, and legs, while also improving balance and concentration. The fourth pose is the triangle pose. This pose works the core, legs, and arms, and it also helps to improve balance and flexibility. The last pose is the sun salutation. This series of poses is a great full body workout and can be done in a continuous flow. Remember to listen to your body and only perform poses that are comfortable for you. As you become more comfortable with the poses and build strength, you can increase the intensity and duration of your practice. Combining yoga with a healthy diet and regular exercise can lead to significant weight loss over time. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay consistent with your practice for the best results. Please consult a qualified yoga instructor before attempting any of these poses, as improper form could lead to injury.